Very good evening, viewers. Today, as we all know, the 16th round match between Argentina and Egypt is in progress. As we all know, the world is now into World Cup football, and in Assam, as we stay here, today I have gone and visited the CM, Chief Minister of Assam, the CM FIFA FAN PARKS, where the screening of the World Cup are going on. I have visited as shown on the screen and as a witness. I just would like to brief my viewers that the initiative taken by the Chief Minister of Assam to ensure that the people of Assam get maximum enjoyment and benefits out of the World Cup. So, the Assam CM FIFA FAN PARKS have been set up, which is the community viewing hubs set up across Assam to screen World Cup matches on giant LED screens. It is organized by the Assam Tourism Development Corporation, and the events feature free entry and a stadium-like festive atmosphere for football fans. The initiative has rapidly expanded across the state. First started at Guwahati, opened on 29 June at Latashil Playground, and next at Dibrugarh on 30 June at Chowki Field, and Jorhat, which we have just seen as shown in the video which I have witnessed today at Jorhat Sports Stadium. And now it is expected to expand at Silchar and other places. As we all know, the CM has thoughtful and make this fans park for the viewers of World Cup. Let's enjoy and celebrate.